Hello, today we're going to take a quick look at the studio unit at Marriott's Beachplace Towers, right after this. I'm Jeremy and welcome to Destination Timeshare. As we enter the studio unit at Beachplace Towers, we immediately notice the kitchenette. This is a pretty standard kitchenette for a Marriott Vacation Club studio unit, with a small sink, coffee maker, a microwave, and a refrigerator. There are also some coffee supplies to get you started. Right across the entryway from the kitchenette is the bathroom, spacious and with plenty of light for getting ready. It includes a tub with a shower and one of those curved shower curtains, perhaps one of the best inventions of modern times. No more plastic curtains sticking to your legs while trying to take a shower. Now let's head into the main living room and sleeping area with a king-size bed and a sofa. You can relax on either while watching your favorite programs on the large flat-screen television featuring DirecTV. The entire unit measures 403 square feet with a maximum occupancy of 4 people, though that would require 2 people in the king-size bed as well as 2 on the sleeper sofa. While fairly large when compared to many standard hotel rooms, I still think this would be uncomfortable for 4 people for more than just a few days. There is also a small breakfast table, or even a table on the patio overlooking the beach and the ocean, or the intercoastal waterway, for which you can enjoy a great morning cup of coffee, or to relax and unwind at the end of the day. So there it is, the studio unit at Marriott's Beachplace Towers in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. If you're new here and want to see more timeshare tips, villa tours, resort reviews, or industry news, please click subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you're alerted whenever I post new videos. And if you like this video, please be sure to click thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and let's make your next destination a timeshare.